And
Hi guys.
bang!
This is our day 4.
Establishing, right?
This is our day 4.
Day no. I want to be sure. This is date number.
Number 4, I think.
We lost track. We
8,
lost track.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh! Day 5.
Day 5 of
So,
the
ayun guys. Nag-order kami ng coffee sa Starbucks. Grabe, ang bilis. Ayun. Yan siya. Ayan, nag-order kami ng cafe latte. Grabe ang bilis ng ano nila. Sa Grab, ang bilis ng ano ng Grab. So ayun guys, so yes, this is our day 5. Wala kayong magawa guys. Ayan, ito yung ano namin. Ito yung bintana namin dito, isa. Hala, yung ano ko. Hala, papi, it's broken na, papi. Look at that.
What? Ano happened?
I don't know. Hala, guys, nasira na yung stand ko. This is so small for you.
Is it yours?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know where the other one, the open one. Look, have it signed.
That is for...
Romeo,
Thank-
JJ.
Yeah.
Where are my shirts? Over there.
This one is fine, papi.
First, Nagaki.
That one. The bag.
I want
That
the one
luggage.
that open, JJ.
Oh. Open? What do you mean open?
You know, like just that.
Just that.
Tea time. Tea time.
Naghahanap siya ng ano guys, damit. Hala, naisira na yung ano ko. Paano kaya to? Hindi na to ma-stand. Opo na. Ano kaya to? So, yun guys. Wala kaming magawa ngayon. Ano na, anong oras na ba? 11:33 na ng umaga. Ayun. Bukas yung ano namin, bukas yung swab test namin, guys. Hindi sinabi kung anong oras, sabi ng ano. Tinanong namin umaga or hapon pupunta yung mag-swab test sa amin. So pagkatapos ng swab test, guys, yung result after 72 hours pa. O ilang days kaya yun.
Yes, this is a self-imposed nightmare. And we're on day number 5, I think. I think we lost count of it.
Is this a day 5 already?
Yeah. And it's a different experience. And it's interesting. It's a pain, but it's interesting pain. Here.
Alright. So yun guys, wala kaming magawa kanina, natulog ako, tapos hindi pa ako naligo. Sumakat yung ulo ko. Tapos bangon agad. Tapos nag-lunch kami. Tapos ayun. Hindi namin alam kung anong gagawin namin. So ayun, magmuni-muni lang. Ay nag-ano pala kami nag-ano kami ng plan namin sa ano. Kasi ipapatuloy ko ipatayo yung ano ng tindahan namin. Ayun, so yun, i-update ko lang kayo kung nandun na kami sa amin. Ayun, ipakita kung ano yung ano namin doon. Sa amin yung tindahan namin doon. So ayun. Ayan, busy siya ngayon guys kasi ano siya, may work. Ayun, yun lang. So what do you think, Papi? Took the camera now. Took the camera.
I'm trying to do my work here. I'm working from the hotel. The internet it's okay. It's not the fastest in the world, but it's doable. I can do some work. Can do some damage. We found out that Starbucks coffee is just a few minutes away. We have to set up Gcash. And if we said Gcash, then you said grab food, grab eat,
Grab
grab
pay.
Grab. Yeah, and then after you have to zero Grab Pay together with Grab.
Yeah.
Same. It's called Super Grab something. Grab Super App or something. You have Grab Food and Grab delivery and Grab taxi thing. So we got that, and then we transfer money from Gcash to actually we have Coinbase. No, we have CoinsPH.
Coinpage.
Yeah. So from CoinsPH we send money to Gcash, and then from Gcash we send money to Grab. They only charge like 10 pesos to transfer, and once it's in Grab, then we use Grab Pay, and once it's in Grab Pay, you use it to pay for delivery, and it only takes like less than 3 minutes.
Yeah, it's fast.
So fast. We order now, and like 2 or 3 minutes, boom, they're here already. They're very fast. I guess it's very close to Starbucks. Also, Boss Coffee is not too bad.
Yeah.
So we got a extra hot latte with organic soy milk. You need to try that. It's really good.
I know, that's the best coffee, right?
Yeah, it's really good.
Well, it's not the best, but the soy is so good because it's organic.
The organic. I can tell the difference. So good. The organic.
Than in US, right?
Oh, better. There's no organic soy milk in the US.
Hey, at least soy milk. But this coffee, guys, the cafe latte is good because the soy milk is organic.
Yeah, you know how difficult it is to find organic soy milk in the US? It's near impossible. All the soy in the US have been monopolized. Monopolized, that means they're taken over by Monsanto, is a company, and they have used DNA alteration, genetically modified organism to grow soy milk to make more money, but then it's hurting people. It's not natural. Organic is the way to go. Organic has no chemical, no insecticide, no all this stuff that they put to make more profit. So it's really good, and I can tell the difference. It's very, very good. It's very good for my belly on my. It's better on my belly too. So it doesn't feel like so heavy. So what else?
That's it.
Well, thank you for joining us here on day number 5. We still have 4 more days to go? 5 more days to go?
5 days.
5 more days to go. Oh, tomorrow, Monday, we're gonna get our swab test. I'll let you guys know how that goes. They're coming to the hotel. We did not get a swab test at the airport as I thought, upon arrival. I think when they say upon arrival, they don't really mean right as they open the door of the airplane and they stick how you call it, Q-tip thing up your nose. It doesn't work that way. After you go to the process, in one of our previous video we talked about the process. Then you go to the hotel, and then there you wait for the email telling you, hey, we're gonna go and do the swab test at the hotel. So they come here and they do the swab test here, and then we have to sit down and wait for the result. Hopefully, God willing, it's gonna be negative. And if it's negative, we go home. We don't have to do no more quarantine anywhere else. Now, if we leave early, then after the swab test, of course, it's negative, and then we leave right away. We have to finish the other days, the remaining balance in some other hotel, in the LGU, the local governing unit that we go to. After here, we're gonna go to Cebu. And on June 18th, on Cebu, when we get to Cebu, we're gonna be there in a hotel for about 7 days.
Yeah, so 1 week.
Yeah, 1 week. And then after that, God willing, we go to Ormoc. So,
Yes.
and Ormoc is a fun destination. We stay in an Airbnb in Ormoc. Stay tuned so you can see how the Airbnb looks like. I have no idea. They have everything except stove. They don't have stove. But I call. Yeah, no. We can buy, but I told the girl, hey, can you provide stove? And she said, yeah, sure, we provide stove. We're staying there for 2 weeks. So we'll let you guys know how that goes. Also, in Cebu, we hopefully, God willing, we're gonna get a multi-cab, one of pickup truck. It's gonna be fun. Stay tuned so we can take you to the dealer when we
Look like the pickup type is look like a toy.
Yeah, it's a toy, cute little thing. But hey, stay tuned. You're gonna.
I know, I'm so excited.
Yeah, you're gonna join us and see what go shopping for that little thing, with a toy. And then, I'm in the middle of a new job interview. If I pass that job, we might get a puppy. Cebu puppies are so beautiful.
I
They're
know.
adorable. This
And-
cute dog.
Yes, guys. We like to buy the puppy, the twig poodle, because we like it, but the hypoallergenic one.
Yeah, because of my asthma.
Yes.
Yeah, you want a I need to be hypoallergenic, otherwise I'm gonna be freaking sneezing every 15 minutes. So other than that, I think that covers everything for today. We just have our lunch. It was chicken curry. It cannot smell good. It was okay. From 1 to 10, I will give it a 6.5. I won't give it an 8 or not even a 7. But it was okay. Now they have a rice with the ground beef, like a hamburger. Oh, it was good with mushroom. Oh, that was the best. And this morning, was it this morning for breakfast?
Yeah.
It was good. We have beef tapas. You call it?
Yeah, beef
They call it beef tapas, which is like beef. And then we have this. What was the last thing? Like something sweet, like some green thing.
Atsara.
Asara.
Atsara, I think. Yeah,
Atsara.
atsara.
It was good, and the white rice and the egg, over easy. That was good. That was one of the best breakfast we had so far. So today's Sunday, tomorrow Monday. We hope to order a gluten-free delivery. Some cake. There's 2 places here that they deliver, so hopefully we can get that. And you guys stay tuned and watch our channel. You might see how that comes out to be. So on to the next time. Ciao.
Shout.